Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to delete your account on Duolingo application. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and download Duolingo application if you don't have it on your phone. Of course, you can do that through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you'd like to go and open the application, of course, to create your account. If you don't have an account, of course, you'll just need to choose the language that you want to learn. You'll take a small test to see how much improvement you have in this language to start learning at your level, of course. So of course, if you already have an account, you would like just to ignore all of that, log into your account, and let's just get straight into this tutorial. So let me just go here and open my Duolingo application, as you should, of course, if you want to follow this tutorial steps, or as you already did. So let's just wait for the application until it loads, and that will actually be your home or your main screen on the application. And of course, if you want to first of all, your main screen like shouldn't be like me like that. Your main screen depends on the progress and the language that you're learning, so don't panic if you don't find that is as your main screen. So if you want to delete your account, of course, you would like to follow to open the app as we said, and then visit the profile tab. So where is it? Here is it. Just go and click at this. So when you click on this, of course, all you need to do, just go and head up to your settings by clicking at the settings icon here at the top right corner. Then you would like to scroll down a bit until you to the bottom of the page, of course. So as you can see here are the last things we have, just terms and acknowledgements. So all you need to do, just scroll up a bit until you find the help center. Here is it. So all you need, first of all, let me just tell you that deleting your account on Duolingo can take up to 13 days. So from 7 days until or up to 13 days once you deleted your account. For your data to be gone, you will need 7 to 30 days. So of course you can delete your account through the help center. So if you click on that, for me nothing will appear here because I'm using a simulator, but for you, you'll find there an option delete your account. Just go and click on that and you will just oh, okay, it appeared this time because last time didn't appear. That's great. So sorry, just here back. So just go to the search and type delete. So how can I delete my account and data? So just go and click on that, and as you can see, you will need to visit this Duolingo drive through, I guess, and select erase personal data. And of course, they will send you an email to confirm this. Ensure your request. You'll need to click on the link on the email. So of course, when they send you an email, just click on the link and you will be actually good to go. So you will not need just to wait until they actually delete your account. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.